What are you eating? What you eating there? Can I have some? No? Fine. Ok, pa. ¿Cómo lo vas a querer hoy?
¿Cómo te llama el corte?
Por eso dime cómo lo quieres.
La 1
La 1.
y la 6.
Nada, así te queda muy feo.
Ok, pues entonces como... Igual pues que la otra vez.
Igual. ¿Seguro? Oh, okay. Alright, everyone. So basically what my dad said, he wanted a 1 all around and then a 6 on top. So that's what we've been getting last time, but mom has been like, no, give us something else. So I'm like, okay, with my, barber mind, I started giving him, a little bit of fluff on top and just still on the 1 on the sides and still, blend it in. So that's what we're gonna go. That's what we're gonna do, and I call it the humble dad haircut. Right, Pop?
Yes.
Yes. All right, stay tuned.
Busy, how you tripping so hard?
Ever since my youth, I was addicted to the sound. The cadence and the flow of percussion that made it bounce. Just a no-good hooligan running right through my town. No bandana around my head, but they know I get around. Used to pray for a way to say today. Now I pray I get saved. Enslaved to the rhythm of our world, systematic imprisonment based on the darker pigment. Sickening, still I'm sticking to living in my own ignorance. Prolific pictographs when I spit. Do the math, I'm an artist. Grab an ass and write a poem. Body got it. I'm perfectly imperfect. A piece of work, but worth it. I'm swerving through the lanes, but I'm headed towards the right path. At least I hope so. But what the fuck is hope though if I never get to execute? Got fears of dying so-so or Dobro or John Doe. Would they ever know my name? I want you to remember me for who I am. Not what I got, not what they told you. Can you do that for me? I want you to remember me for who I am. Not what I got, not what they told you. Can you do that for me? Would a babe celebrate me like they do Mac Dre? Too short of you 40 and when my name fade away. Will I ever get the chance to tell Kendrick that he inspired me like I did his? Will they study my verbal diaries or will it stay a dream and I'm wasting my time entirely? And all that I envisioned was a vision of hysteria. They'll laugh at me for failing and quietly question character, typing characters that I ain't care enough. Never that, to me this shit is 3 important. I put my heart and my soul and on another organ. On these recordings that I speak to me, they so important. I keep it going, keep it flowing, fuck who don't support it. Till I reach my proper glory and my cars go out of ponies. And my image is engraved in the pages of rap story, mandatory. That's how I feel about getting it. No regrets, only lessons, make sure you tell to remember me for who I am. Not what I got, not what they told you. Can you do that for me? I want you to remember me for who I am. Not what I got, not what they told you. Can you do that for me?
Busy, how you tripping so hard?
Ever since my youth, I was addicted to the sound. The cadence and the flow of percussion that made it bounce. Just a no-good hooligan running right through my town. No bandana around my head, but they know I get around. Used to pray for a way to say today. Now I pray I get saved. Enslaved to the rhythm of our world, systematic imprisonment based on the darker pigment. Sickening, still I'm sticking to living in my own ignorance. Prolific pictographs when I spit. Do the math, I'm an artist. Grab an ass and write a poem. Body got it. I'm perfectly imperfect. A piece of work, but worth it. I'm swerving through the lanes, but I'm headed towards the right path. At least I hope so, but what the fuck is hope though if I never get to execute? I fears of dying so-so, or Dobro, or John Doe. Would they ever know my name? Yeah. I want you to remember me for who I am, not what I got, not what they told you. Can you do that for me? I want you to remember me for who I am, not what I got, not what they told you. Can you do that for me? With a bag celebrate me like they do Mac Dre. Too short of you 40 and when my name fade away. Will I ever get the chance to tell Kendrick that he inspired me like I did his? Will they study my verbal diaries or will it stay a dream and I'm wasting my time entirely? And all that I envisioned was a vision of hysteria. They'll laugh at me for failing and quietly question character.